Davis.
Good morning, all.
Good morning.
I'm very pleased and honored to be here today. As a state representative elected in 2002, I could have only become state representative had it not been for the history of those that bled, sweat, and died for my ability to be a state representative, for the right to vote, those that suffered and sacrificed for me. Well, ladies and gentlemen, let us not forget our history. Let us not stay home. Let us not choose not to vote in this election. This is pivotal. This is a pivotal election for us, and if we honor those in any way that gave their lives to give us this right, then we must not stay at home. We have to come out. We have to get out on November 2nd. We have to vote. We have to stand up and do what's right for our community. If we don't vote in this election, we will definitely take a step backwards. Matter of fact, we'll take 10 steps backwards. All these women standing behind me, they are here because they want to protect the right of women to protect their bodies. If we don't vote on November 2nd, believe me, there will be efforts to remove those rights. We have to protect the rights of women. We have to protect the rights of our citizens. We have to move forward with this state and with this economy. When we are successful on November 2nd, and when we have elected Pat Quinn, Sheila Simon, Lisa Madigan, Jesse White, David Miller, Robin Kelly, when we are successful on November 2nd, we will be able to continue our progress forward. The South Suburbs will be able to continue to benefit from a continued investment that these people have made in our region. Yes, they do know where we are on the map. 750,000 votes here in the South Suburbs. We mean something to all of these individuals, and we appreciate what they do for us and their efforts to come out to our community. So let's remember November 2nd. Can we remember November 2nd? November 2nd. Let's get out to vote on November 2nd. Thank you very much.